Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show with your hosts Lee Silber and Ellen Goodwin.
Welcome to another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better show. I'm your co-host Ellen Goodwin along with my co-host
Lee Silber.
Well, hi Lee.
Hey, I don't know if anyone noticed, but we've been doing a 3-part series. We never announced it in the first one, so now that we're here at the third one, which is kind of tying together the time of the year, as well as, your moods. And now we're putting those two together, how the time of the year and the weather and time change and all that can affect us. Meaning, if you're the kind of person that when it's sunny outside, you are, wow, what a great work day. I want to sit in my office and get things done. And if you live in Seattle, you have 299 days where the sun is shining.
Nope.
In Phoenix, sorry, when you live in Phoenix. When you live in Seattle, it's the opposite. So you got to kind of know what your cycles are. Meaning, are you a summer person where, it's sunny out, the days are long, and you can get so much more done in your work or in your projects, whatever it is you're trying to be more efficient at? Or are you the other way around, where you like those dark days and it's rainy outside and you just hunker down? I stole yours. Hunker down, and you do your work in your sweats, and you get comfy, and you just don't leave the house for days on end. Knowing your tendencies can help you to plan your year, plan your month, plan your time, and get things done better and faster.
Absolutely. I mean, we're in San Diego. We don't have a lot of rainy days, but when the weather people call for a rainy day, I love it. I prepare like crazy. I'm like, okay, we're gonna make like really warm food, and I'm gonna be reading this and writing, and I'm just gonna be. And you did steal my word, hunkered down, and I can't wait to do it because it's different, and I'm so excited. And then I'm always disappointed when it doesn't rain and it's like semi nice out. I'm like, I planned for this because. While I am productive when the sun is shining, I do love a good rainy day. To me, the mood is wonderful. It's productive. I can't be out. I'm not thinking about what I might be missing. I'm not like, oh, I could be at the beach. I could be doing this. Nope. You got no choice. Your choices have been eliminated. You get to stay home and do work. So for me, love a good rainy day, but that's only because we have them so rarely.
Yeah, I mean, there's something called the blue sky blues, and that just means, it's blue skies. I'm blue because I'm stuck here indoors.
Oh.
Want to get outside, and I'm like you. If it's gonna rain the whole day. I hate those days where it rains in the morning and then the sun's out. That did nothing for me. I want a whole day of not feeling guilty about sitting in my office getting things done. And I often said, if I lived somewhere where it snowed and we had snow days, or it was rainy all the time, I would have written more. I've written 50 books instead of 25.
Why do you think Stephen King writes so many books? He lives in Maine.
That's right. You're right. That's you're so right. But it is proven that sunlight does somehow, and it does kind of improve our mood. It can also give us a little bit of energy, but then for some people it's distracting. And some cloudy days make people feel like, okay, like you said, I'm gonna plan for it. I'm gonna make the most of it. Other people, that kind of brings them down, and they're gloomy and they don't get much to. I'm just saying, know your tendencies, work with them, figure out what weather works best for you, and whether or not you should plan your day around the weather. Or in some places, when you look at your phone and when it says 90% rain, I know there's a 10% chance it's not going to rain. I just see rain. It's going to rain.
You and me both. You and me both. I want the rain, but I can see if I lived in Seattle, I think my mood would be so bad because it's like, is it rain again? Can't I have some sunshine? So totally get it.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, when you work, some people, it sounds strange, don't want a window. They don't want natural light. They want to not know. They want to be in Vegas. I don't know what time it is. I don't know what's going on outside.
I'm in solitary confinement. I don't
focused
know.
on what I'm supposed to do. And other people, having some natural sunlight,
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
even being able to open the window and let some fresh air in, inspires them to do more. It's just different for different people. Find out your strengths, your tendencies, your natural way of working best so that you're at your most efficient. And then plop in the easy tasks when you feel like the weather is making you not efficient, and whatever your most efficient weather scenario is, plan your day for that. And especially knowing the seasons, you can kind of schedule your time and your projects, if you can, around the seasons to make sure you're doing the best project at the best time.
I got nothing more to add to that. It's sunny out. It's time to go out and play.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
wait.
know.
No, it's not.
See you,
I've got
everyone.
too
I'm outta
much
here.
work. Okay. Well, thanks for listening. Be sure and subscribe, like, and review, and be with us again next week for another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better Show.